Dear students, we are going to discuss metal matrix composite. Our first mission is going to present the basics of metal matrix composite.
I am Abhishek. I am going to talk about the basics of metal matrix composites and introduction to the metal matrix composites. Metal matrix composites is nothing but a mixture of metal matrix and the reinforcement composites. The reinforcement composites used in the metal matrix are just like fibers and ceramics. And the basic structures of metal matrix are two types. Number one is matrix and second one is reinforcement. In the matrix, we use materials like aluminium, titanium to give reinforcement, and in the reinforcement we use ceramics and fibers like carbon fibers to increase the strength of the composite materials. And next I'm going to talk about section of reinforcement in the metal matrix composites. And in this we need to analyze the composite material by each category. And the number one category is mechanical properties. In this sector, we need to test the strength of the composite material by testing tensile load and compressive loads. This type of sector is used to calculate the strength of the material using cars and aeroplanes. The second aspect is thermal properties. This is the main sector of property used to calculate the resistance of the composite materials in the applications like engine components and the aircraft engines. The third one is wear resistance. We need to reduce the wear in the composite material to give up a prolonged life and to increase the reliability of the composite material, so we can have a very sustainable future. And the last one is cost and availability. In the cost and availability, we can greatly reduce the cost of the matrix materials.
There are more types of reinforcement. The common type of reinforcement is nothing but ceramic particles and ceramic fibers and whiskers. The ceramic particles is nothing but the silicon carbide and the aluminium boron carbide are used to enhance the hard wear resistance. And the ceramic fiber is nothing but the carbon fiber, and to improve the tensile strength to mix with the material to improve the strength of the material. And whiskers is nothing but the silicon carbide whiskers are used to enhance the property of the tensile strength to enhance the material of the recollectment. And the next one is nothing but the processing of MMCs. The processing of MMCs is classified into liquid state, solid state, and gaseous state. The gaseous state is nothing but the vaporized, and liquid state is liquid, and solid state is shape. And liquid state process is there are four types of liquid state is stiff casting, skew casting, and slurry casting, melt drain, and spray deposition. In stiff casting, there are a process of steps. There are four types of process, and the metal is heated into a furnace at up to a temperature. The metal can be heated and allowed to liquefy and allowed to the water spray, and the metal have a enhanced property. The advantages of the liquid state process is simple and cost effective and can be used to large quantity of materials. And the challenges of the stiff casting is to final property of the material is to come the shape of the material like curve shape is less property, and screw casting is there are four types of it. There are advantages of the high quality products. They can be used to enhance the property of the suitable high tensile sets. And the challenges of the applying the pressure to the screw casting, there are more reliable stress. And the slurry casting is allows for more types of entry current, and the challenges are the temperature and viscosity slurry. And the last step is spray deposition. The spray deposition is the spray deposition can be used to enhance the property of the challenges of the to overall spray membranes.
Next one is the introduction of processing of MMC. And the metallic matrix composite MMCs that created a reinforced phase particles, fibers into the metallic matrix. The liquid state processing of the MMC is the first one is stir casting, casting, slurry casting, and is the metal influence. Solid state processing of the MMC. Solid state processing of the matrix metals does not reach the molten state, and the composition formed by the applying of the manufactured metals in the matrix. Since the processing steps are the metal powder and reinforcement processing of the mixture together. Thank you.
Now we have to see a diffusion bonding. Diffusion bonding is solid phase bonding process. There are two materials. They are joined by applying and pressure casting on the tubes across the interface state solid. The metals matrix are reinforcement and rates of contact under the control out of their heat and pressure are applied cause atomic diffusion across the interface. The parts of the heat under pressure and temperature until the solid one comes between material. Thank you.
In conclusion, we have seen about the metal matrix